Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on PandaBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you have been logged in and taken back into the homepage, if you wish to change the language of your account, then click on the language and currency drop-down menu at the top right. Once you click on this, you will see the various different languages as well as currencies that are available for PandaBuy. Just click on the language that you wish to use and then click on OK, and this language will immediately be applied on your PandaBuy account. You can also click on the account icon and then click on User Center. And now from this page, click on Account underneath and then click on the Edit button to change your preferred language from here as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the PandaBuy website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.